Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Z-Wave devices with Home Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Z-Wave devices with Home Assistant, open your web browser and navigate to your Home Assistant dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the sidebar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Integrations. Look for the Z-Wave integration and click on it. If you don't see Z-Wave listed, click on Add Integration and search for Z-Wave. Follow the prompts to install the Z-Wave integration if it isn't already set up. Once Z-Wave is integrated, connect your Z-Wave USB stick to your server or Raspberry Pi. Navigate back to the Integrations page and find the Z-Wave integration once again. Click on Configure to open the Z-Wave network settings. In the configuration window, initiate the Z-Wave network by clicking on Start Network. Next, put your Z-Wave device into pairing mode. This process varies by device, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions for exact steps. Once your device is in pairing mode, return to Home Assistant. Click on Add Node in the Z-Wave configuration. Home Assistant will now search for your Z-Wave device. If your device is successfully detected, it will appear in the list. Select the device and click Add. You may be prompted to set some configuration parameters. Follow the instructions to complete the setup. After the device is added, it will be available for use within Home Assistant. Test the device to ensure it's functioning correctly. If issues arise, check the configuration for any errors or consult the Home Assistant Z-Wave documentation. Once everything is confirmed to work, your Z-Wave device is fully authorized and ready for automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.